Okay, here I am back as the student, and here's the assignment, test Cami out. And how do I know this is going to show up this way? Because I do have the Cami extension, remember, that's the key thing. And I'm going to open this assignment with Cami. Okay, so now my assignment is uploaded and I have access to all of these. And I'll just say this is a great learning tool. Remember, I can change size, bold, underline, all those things, but I'm going to go over those in another one. Remember, I can highlight. Okay, I can highlight. I can put a box around. So this is a box highlighter, so I can do this. If I don't like the color, I can change that. I added another little box there. Okay, and so I'm going to click undo and undo again. See, then that little box is gone. Okay, I'm going to cross this out because my teacher said to cross this question out, but I think yellow is a silly color for crossing that out. So I'm going to change it to black. Okay, I have lots of tools I can do. Now, if I'm finished, let's just pretend I'm done. I'm going to click here, save and turn in. Now notice I am logged into my Cami account. I'm going to click turn in. Okay, it says save. I'm going to save now. See how it says I had unsaved changes? Okay, now it says all changes saved. Phew, thank goodness. Okay, so, and I'm going to click turn in. So that is a key step, and then I'm going to click turn in. It's going to pull me back out of Cami, back into Schoology, and it's going to have this ready for me to go, and I'm going to click submit. Now it's submitted. You see I have the option to resubmit,